2015 BMW i3, Carmine's Import Service research and development car here, and we'll just take you through it real quick, show you some of the features. Materials, you'll see a lot of natural fibers, recycled items, rubber floor mats, which are actually smooth to the touch. They look like they're bumpy, but they're not. The key is a little bit different than the other stuff. The other stuff is pretty familiar though. A big iDrive screen. Right now it's in charge mode, but the controls, as you can see, are typical BMW. Seats have a futuristic look. Headroom, got a little raised headliner back there for some headroom. Not bad. And then you got your Comfort Eco Pro and an Eco Pro Plus. This car has a range extender. Right now we have it plugged into a level 2 charger that would be for a home, as you can see, and it's into a 220 outlet. You can also plug it into a 120. That'll take the turbocharger they offer. It's an overnight process, ready by morning. Here's your buttons down here: rear trunk, front trunk, then access to the fuel tank for the generator, automatic headlight switch. You can see here it's charging, so it's telling me 3:27 p.m. will be fully charged and have a battery. We open the front trunk. Let's walk around. They give you some storage under here. This is the 120 outlet that comes with these cars. It takes 24 hours at least. The turbocharger they offer is a lot better. It's worth the money. The best thing to do is have a 30 to 50 amp charger or so mounted in the house or in the garage. They're very inexpensive. We do have one at the shop. Some things about these: there's maintenance. There's some maintenance. As you can see, you got your brake fluid. You have 2 antifreeze reservoirs, one to cool the electric motor, the other one cools the generator, and then of course washer fluid. And if I take all these panels out, you'll start to see anti-lock brake gizmos and electric motor and high voltage stuff. So pretty cool car. Acceleration's phenomenal. The ride's pretty decent for a short wheelbase. Tires are very skinny, of course, as you can see, for efficiency. So yesterday we were able to go to Charlotte and not stop and get there. So that'll turn green, solid green, when it's done charging. But we got some labels on the door, but we'll continuously add to this to give you some things about maintenance. This car, they're going to require maintenance, especially if you don't charge the batteries frequently. The generator is going to overwork itself, and it's got 2 spark plugs. It's got an engine oil filter. It's got a dipstick where you can check the oil. So look for another video. I'll have that with some demonstrations, and we could take care of all the i3 needs. So we also do other electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles as well. So give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.